Well, it's time to get the big girl out for the summertime, and we have to. It's look how dirty it is. It needs to get the battery connected, and then. Okay, so got my post cleaner, so we'll clean the post, and the hold down is nice and tight, so yeah. That should be good. I'll just clean the connectors and put some dielectric grease on it and hook her up. Make sure you get this nice and clean so you got a good connection. That looks pretty good. And we'll do that negative one. Yeah, that's good. Good. So I'll go get some dielectric grease and put some on, and then we'll hook her up. I always like to get rid of dust and dirt off the parts, so it looks as clean as it can be. Good. All right, time for some grease. This just gives you a good contact, no rain or corrosion, and you know, when you want your truck to start, this will make sure 99% of the time it will start, unless like it gets zapped by lightning or something, a UFO or something like that, something crazy. I do this to all my vehicles. And we'll just put some on the negative post here. Good. Okay, that is good. So so when you're putting your battery back on, you start with the positive, so that, okay, seat it good, and then we'll do the negative. Oh, I just heard the brains click on. Yeah, I think somewhere's here it came back to life. So I'll go get my wrench, tighten that up, both of them nice and snug, and then start her up and let it run, because we gotta do an oil change on this, and we're gonna get this thing up and running. It's an awesome truck to drive. I think I said that already though. Okay, we'll just tighten it up nice and snug. That should be good. Ah, my socket fell off. Oh, good. It's right there. At least middle of the truck, and I wouldn't be able to get it. All right. Nice and snug. That's tight. Okay, let's try to start this girl up. This needs another bath underneath the hood here, because it is doidy. So let's start her up. Oh, I gotta adjust those seats. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there she goes. She's alive. So this one, I'll be changing oil in it right away. So stay tuned for that that video, because that'll be happening soon. And if you like these films, like and subscribe and comment, and hope you stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next film. Bye for now.